Hello friends, today what I am going to talk to you in share market SMS, a very interesting topic that is earning in the share market. Friends, the basic purpose of coming to the share market is only earning and earning. I think whatever you have earned is your profit and rest is all expense. It is not in the share market only, but actually it is in the life also. So earning actually is a must. When you say you have earned in the share market, that means you have really made some profit. Friends, and earning in the share market, today we will be discussing on double engine trading. Now double engine trading actually is a very interesting topic, so you be with me throughout the video. Let us see how do we compare and make our trading very safe. The entire friends process of trading in the share market is actually covering all your risk, and under no circumstances actually we should lose the money. Friends, I tell you my own story, very couple of lines, that whenever I start trading, it comes into my mind कि पैसा आया अब पैसा आया, मैंने ट्रेड लिया है, अब पैसा ये देखे जाएगा. So actually with that kind of attitude, you have to trade very safely. And when I say covering risk, means covering risk 100%. There is no point in taking risk and trading. You will lose money in the share market. Now, when I say the trade safely, it can be intraday trading, it can be swing trading, it can be investment or any kind of trading. We have to have the established before entering into the market. Actually, is the safety which is of the paramount importance. Friends, in one of our videos, very recently we had taken 10 top 10 top shares of the share market. And this actually we had talked actually in our video 236, and here we had seen the Reliance Industries, Reliance PP, Bharti Airtel, Infosys, Maruti, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, HDFC, Asian Paint and Biocon. Now these kind of shares actually give you a guarantee, almost, I don't say 100%, but yes, it gives you a guarantee that you will not lose money at any point of time, whether it is an investment trade or it is an intraday trade or it is a swing trade. Intraday trade, depends, because there actually is that when the signal has taken place and you have rightly entered and the market also has favored to you. Fine. So these actually were the 10 shares which we had considered in our video 236. You can just go and cross check, with exception of Maruti. Now Maruti actually has not been performing for a very simple reason, is COVID. Everybody is confined to the houses and the traffic is not moving, therefore Maruti is not able to sell the cars. However, the business is suffering everywhere, with exception of Reliance Industry because of Jio and Reliance PP, that is partly paid shares. Fine, they have been firing all the cylinders in the market and holding the market very well. And as you know, this Infosys and Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, they have tremendous weightage in the Nifty. Market moves because of them, and so is your Asian Paint also. Biocon is a very promising share in any case. Friends, that today, I just would like to compare the top 10 shares of the share market which we have seen in our video 232, and at the same time 10 top mutual funds and what they have purchased. You will be surprised to see the comparison between the two. Are we close or not? First of all, the 10 top mutual funds according to Bazaar.com is Axis Liquid Fund, Canara Robe Corporate Guild Fund, Kotak Corporate, SBI Equity Index Fund and HDFC Monthly Income Plan, together with ICICI Pro Focus Blue Chip, Tata Equity, L&T Corp Advantage Fund, Aditya Birla Sun Life, DSP, BlackRock Balanced Fund. So these are the top 10 funds, and when friends we compare these funds, these are actually the purchases of top 10 these mutual funds. They have made purchases. These are the top 10 purchases of these top 10 mutual funds. So let's see that, cross check that how beautifully we are placed with them together. If you see the first 7, that HDFC, RIL, ICICI, Infosys, Bharti, HDFC and Kotak, they are all the same, isn't so? Now the question is that there is a little difference with the ITC, HUL and L&T. I consider them as a very weak performance, a performer since ages, not today or last year. And therefore, instead of these, we had taken the Maruti, RIL, PP and Biocon. And you are very, you must have seen, the way these are actually moving up. So this actually, the left section is of the shares of the mutual funds who have made purchases in the largest purchases in these shares. And here what we had shown in the video 236. Fine. So friends, now in these shares, please don't close the video. We are going to talk something more about it. You can invest them for a long time and also trade in these shares for intraday as well as the swing trading both. Now what I find, is it not a double engine itself that the mutual fund is giving you strength? The performance of these shares is giving you the strength, or the share market is giving you strength. That is, friends, I call it a double engine. Double engine will give you the push in your earnings, and this is what basically I believe. And let us now check with the fundamentals, that is what is happening, check with the technicals, friends, and what is happening at that place. Now this is actually Hindustan Lever, which was being purchased by mutual funds, and here I have taken, as you can see here, I have taken here 2 years picture of HUL. Now in 2 years, friend, if you really see, the lowest rate here was 1600 and some odd, and the highest is 2335. So total gain, friends, in the years is only 735 rupees. Such a poor performance, if anybody wants to hold the stock of Hindustan Lever. At least, when the stock is not moving for years together, I don't know, let me just check, with the, let me go a little further down and see if the stock is, let me check for 5 years where the stock is, whether it is at the top. Yes, friends, gradually I will say it is going up. But for the last 2 years, the performance actually is very little, and it has given in 2 years to 2,300 rupees share is giving 30% performance in 2 years is actually, I call it substandard, what I say is delivery or substandard profit. Although, for the very long time, if you really ask me, it is in the uptrend for a long time, but the performance is actually very, 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 very meek. There is no two opinion about it. Let us see now the big joint, the L&T. L&T also I have taken for the last 2 years, you can check here, it is 2 years. And friends, in 2 years, you just see here, it has given a negative return of 325. You can see here 925 and 1250, you divide, you just subtract from this, you will get a negative return of 2 years back this was the rate, and today this is the rate. So actually it has given a negative return of 235. I don't know what could be the compulsion with the mutual funds to hold this share. And so friends, is the case with ITC also. The share 2 years back, the price of the share was somewhere about 260, 264. You can check here, 262, and today it is 194. So it is somewhere about 68, 70 rupees decline. So what I say is that this Hindustan Lever, ITC and Larsen and Toubro, friends, these are actually the shares which one must always keep away under all the circumstances, because years and years and years they take to perform. They have very high equity. In spite of the fact sometimes the results are fantastic, still these shares actually do not give the returns what they should give. Friends, this is actually what I say is that what actually the shares we had chosen, incidentally they have 70% of them have matched with the mutual funds. 3 shares which have not matched, actually we have taken them here, and we have seen that the performance was really, really bad. So I think we have done a right job by taking additional 3 shares of this Reliance PP and Maruti and this Kotak Bank to replace them, and they have done a great job. Friends, if you like the video, please subscribe to my video, and at the same time please press the notification button, bell button, and you can join me on Instagram also. Friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Remain, just understand, friends, the whole purpose of working in the share market is earning and nothing else. Fine. So be with the right kind of shares. Don't buy the junk shares. Be with the right kind of shares, which we have discussed, irrespective of what money you have. Point is that we must not be greedy for the business. Money will come. Money will not come in one day. Money comes gradually. Now, the last thing which I want to say here, that our objective, in the intraday trade or in the swing trading together, fine, in a month's time, friends, if we get about 8 to 10% in a month's time, you should be very, very happy. Fine. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.